Hey guys, good morning. Been a while that I've been live streaming, but figured this is a nice moment maybe. Just saw the email with the 90% off of Apex. I'm like, yeah, why not? Let's push a few. Yeah, so it's not like real trading, right? But I'm just gonna push them and yeah, let's see how it goes. It can be fun. I'm being more careful lately with my funded accounts. Yeah, I'm not super comfortable yet streaming that yet, I guess, but maybe I should. Maybe it keeps me more in track even. But yeah, it's been tough. Like been very busy with the DeltaTrader platform, and keeping up streaming is challenging, to say the least. But but yeah, I mean, and it's also hard, right, in the beginning if not like many people watch. Because I like to explain things if people ask me questions, but if there's not many people, then you know I'm not like amazing in talking by myself. Um, yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm just ready to pick it back up, and let's see if we can push a few evals. Be right back, by the way. But yeah, so in the case you are watching it live, please ask me questions because I'll love to answer anything about order flow or whatever. Um, because I've been using it for so long now, and yeah, love to share things about it. Because I know for some people still it's kind of new, or or it's not helping much yet, or I don't know, anything like that. But let's see. So we're 3 minutes into the open. Yeah, I didn't check that much the market yet. Like, let me see. Yeah, so we still had that range, the big down day that they tried to fill a little bit. I think if we get into this range, I might look for a sell because I'm now just passing evils, right? So I'm just gonna risk a lot and either blow it or pass it, ideally in one trade. So that means that with the full port, I'm doing the 50k evals. So the full port is 10 contracts. So basically you need 6 points to pass the eval, right? So that's kind of what I'm trying to get. Yeah, let's see. I bought 3. I hope to pass at least 1. And yeah, I'm not worried about blowing them because yeah, already I only expect to pass like 1 out of 3 or 2 out of 3, like ideally. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, so I already put my bracket to 6 points. And I'm not sure yet, like I want to see how the market reacts. I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna, you know, do the 10 lots right away, or I'm gonna scale in with 5-5. I just know that like from the last close, we were up a lot, right? So yeah, they're trying to fill in this area that we broke down from, right? But if they really push, I mean, we could be up 50 points. I mean, it gets everyone that's short off size, right? Around above this area. So now we're a little bit below it, but if they push above it and starting to push, then yeah, I mean, they could cause a squeeze, I guess. Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna just watch the footprint really closely, and when I see something, I'll just take it and then, you know, see how it goes. All right, here we go. Yeah, I'm not sure if I should push it right away. It would be fun if they do a quick reject and then go back up. Potentially could do that. But I'm more aiming towards like, actually they came close to like the 79s, 80s, 80-50. Yeah, they were kind of close. Yeah, honestly, I don't care about this so much. I'm maybe just try to push. And if it doesn't work, I'll just switch to the other eval. Because this might be that they're just gonna short squeeze already, but normally I wouldn't buy this, but yeah, I'm not sure. Let's see how they treat the test. I think if they go over like 88, 87, 89, 88 again, then like 80, 87, if they do it again, then I might do that. But otherwise, I don't know. Everyone is up a lot, you know. Like if you like yesterday was sort of, well, it's close, but yeah. So everyone is up a lot from the Friday. Well, let's see. I think maybe I'll try it because it's now at the level that I thought. And if they go down, they go down. It's fine. Did I miss it already? Oh. I want them to hold it, and I want to add because I need 10 lots, not 5. I might still fail actually. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, I probably would be selling it too if I, you know, was up so much from Friday. But yeah, if they go over this again, like 82s, I might add to it, but it doesn't really look that beautiful right now. But yeah, who knows? Maybe if they get to 75, but I kind of lose the account already at 72. So yeah, it's not probably not worth doing that. It would make sense for them to test now here, right? 75s ish, and then I'm already down so much that I'm probably not gonna pass it. So I think I'm just gonna, if they push above 80, I might just add and then see what happens. Let's see, I don't know, probably not gonna work. Seeing a lot of selling pressure yet still, so yeah. To go above this. I don't know. I don't know. So I need 3K, so that's like here. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. Oh, I'm already out. Oh, okay, cool. Well, let's switch to the other one. So that was quick. Let's do the other one. Cause now I kind of might want it, right? Here we go. Or do I? So the previous RTA's low, yeah. So yeah, or well, it was from the Memorial Day, right? So it's not really real, I guess. But yeah, if they do some volume here, I might do it. So I'm not sure where to short it from here, to be honest. But it would make the most sense because I thought, like, look, there's so much from here. Like, why would you buy it? I don't know. But I'll try it. But yeah, okay. Oh, it doesn't look good. That's funny. Yeah, I might blow through the quickest of evals right now already. So 25 is like here, yeah. Let's see. Anything's possible. 78, I need 78, so it's below the VPSC, so yeah, who knows if they want to do that. I need 78 even. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not feeling too confident in that. 78. No, I think I close to switching to my last eval very, very quickly. But I'm still expecting sort of a bounce, I guess. I mean, yeah. They could. Right? Do we have any news? But I have no idea. Didn't check it with the evals. Not too worried about that. They're building volume though, so that's the only. I mean, it was super early, but like they are building volume. So yeah, who knows? So I need to get it to here to pass. Yeah. No idea. So good. Oh, and then I always keep forgetting about the trailing, right? So normally I don't let my trades run at all. So now I'm dealing with the trailing drawdown. So I could even be out before it even gets there if it's getting close. So let's see. But I just need 78. So yeah, it might work. They did build some volume, so I kind of feel okay with it. But yeah, they're probably gonna retest, and the retest might actually, because of the trailing drawdown, maybe already just get me out of it. So that kind of sucks. But let's see. But if it does, I still want to probably get the 70s to buy on the last eval. So I don't know. It's getting very close though. So now the question is, am I gonna exit like with 2k profit and then make another trade for 1k, or just leave it? I don't know. It's very hard. What would you guys do? Because normally when I do that, it just goes to my target after. So I'm like, yeah, cool, but should have just not touched it. I'm inclined now to take the profit, so. Should I trail it? Stupid, I guess, but. Just one push, one push, one push, one push. Wow, that sucks. I'm gonna take it. Wow, this is Jesus. Okay, I'm out. Yeah, that kind of sucks. So now I need to do another trade. So I am at 2200. So I need like 9. Yeah, 850-ish. So I need 850. That's annoying. Now it went there. See, it always gets there. Like that's what I'm saying. It always gets there. Like it kind of never happened that it didn't get there. So now I would have passed it already. And now with my stupid ass, I exited. So now I need another trade. No, sucks. So yeah, normally I just would have left it, or even do another eval and then just let the bracket play. Now I need to do it again. So I need 1.7 points, almost 2 points. So it's like 8 points. 8 ticks, sorry, ticks. Yeah, something like that. That's annoying. I could buy 75s maybe here. See how that goes. If they ever get there. That's kind of annoying. Now I would have just passed it. It's just silly. And I was just telling you guys about it, right? So normally when I leave it, it goes to there, and then it went straight to that, the 78s that I need to have pass. So it's kind of silly. It's silly. But yeah, I did see the volume here. I mean, yeah, it did happen. But I'm kind of not sure what to do now. Might short it now near the highs of or VWAP or open. But then again, it's close to the highs that I put in, right? So also not sure what to do with that. Let's see. I might sell it here just to gamble it. I mean, it's like, yeah. I mean, what do you do? Just 2 points. Nope. So annoying, so annoying. Yeah, this is very annoying. Just one little drip down and I get it, but like it's just, oh man. Oh, I failed. So I passed it. Okay, cool. I think. Yeah, 3k. Okay, cool. So I passed one. Alright, well, let's do the next one. Yeah, so the last one, yeah. Honestly, I feel they might push it up because there was a nice little build-up of volume here, right? So I would say that they are probably gonna, yeah, I don't know, probably push the highs, or at least as VWAP, right? If it's close to the highs, RTH highs. I would say so, because I would expect it like a weaker start maybe, because we were up so much from Friday. But yeah, it's a good setup for short squeezes, right? So it might just run and push people out, especially when if they get above the 95s again, you know, then it might force people out again. So kind of tried here, but it's overnight, and now we're actually open, so that might push people out, and then test the overnight highs. Yeah, who knows? But it's starting to feel like that. But like for now, we still have to deal with this. It's like we're still close to the VPOC 80. Yeah, but it was an interesting build up here in volume, right? So, and I just need 6 points to pass the eval again. So I need like here. Let's do it again. It's just 6 points. And I'm just doing this because it was 90% off, right? So I'm just like trying to push it. Yeah. And to be clear, this is not how I trade funded accounts, okay? So this is a different thing. It's really separate things. It's not even trading. It's more like, you know, calculated gambling, really. So yeah. So there are a few firms now that do like straight to funded, and it kind of makes more sense because like this gambling on evals makes you getting like into bad habits, you know, and it's also kind of I really like the futures desk lately, because they're more like not promoting that 1 day to pass, you know, things like that, and you cannot reset like continuously over a day. It's kind of nice. And yeah, there's a few other firms that do straight to funded, and yeah, I don't know. I might try one or two. Yeah. Anyway, let's see. Do have an Apex payout coming in though this week, I think. Yeah, should happen. Right. So now we're here at the volume from. Well, it doesn't mean that much because like it's from this day, right? So it has very little volume. So it doesn't mean that much that the volume traded on Memorial Day yesterday. So yes, it could stall there maybe, but I don't see it happening really. Just a feeling. But for the rest, they just need to get over, you know, they need to get to VWAP, they need to get to RTH open, they need to get to push the highest to go higher. If they cannot do that, then yeah, then kind of the bets are off, right? So they're kind of, yeah, then they're not as strong as I thought they were, and then probably gonna sell down and make new lows, and then test out these lower, because this is very low volume here, right? So this could very well be tested. All the way to here actually. So that's quite a way to go. Yeah, so I'm not sure what I want to do at the moment. So I blew one, I passed one, now I have one left that I'm like, yeah, I don't know, don't even care much about it. I mean, of course I really want to pass, but I don't really see a setup unless, except that it's still going kind of up, and I don't know where to enter here. So with the full size, like it's not a lot of leeway to, you know, for like stopping out, especially with the trailing stop. So you have 2500 of trailing drawdown with 10 lots. That's only 5 points of trailing drawdown, you know, full size, 5 points, and that's, so that means if it flushes up, flushes down, it can already be 5 points, right? It doesn't have to go 5 points against you. It has to do at the highest point that you were up, it has to go 5 points down. So yeah, that's the tricky part with trailing drawdown. And for my normal way of trading, it's not super of an issue. But with passing evals, yeah, it's kind of annoying. So anyway, I should have just I guess bought the other evals. It's already up another 6 points, so yeah, it's interesting. It is interesting. Yeah, right now I just want to see how they react at the VWAP and how if they're gonna push the highs or not. If they're not, then it would be super interesting, because then I want to sell the pullback that they will do after, I think. So I want to see a reject first, and then, I mean, ideally the reject happens below this, right? So it's kind of a long wait, because it's already like 5-6 points. So ideally you want to reject below this VPOC level, and then a test to the VPOC, and then take the short until this bulk of volume. Right, that's the ideal scenario, and that would be also 6 points, I guess, probably. Just from 80, yeah. So 6 point would be here ish. Should take the retest short from the VPC 80. Yeah, so that could be, but it might take a while. And let me check if there's news. Actually, I didn't check it. Because, like I said, with evals, I'm like whatever. But there could be news in a couple minutes. Yeah, there is be consumer confidence. Okay, so I'll wait that out. Maybe that's gonna give me some volatility to push another eval. And oh, they're already doing it. So back to 80. Okay, but so this is kind of weak, right? So they were not able to get to the RTH highs. They stopped right at the open, which is also maybe suspicious, because they could just fake it out and then go up, right? So what they often do. So this could have been a buy too. Actually, now I'm talking about that, I should have done that probably. So it went very quickly to there, and it usually doesn't mean it's real. So 80. Oh wow, at 6 points, well, would have already passed it. It's funny. Okay, that would have been funny. Yeah, that would have been funny. Okay, well, didn't see that. Yeah, that was funny. So I should have bought the 80 here and then go for the 6 points. So then it was kind of suspicious, because normally when it goes there very fast, it to me it's just like faking people out, because like, unless there's news, of course, something like that, but there's right now there's nothing. It's very often just like a fake out, and yeah. I mean, now they won't take the high, so that's also not super strong. So you have to wait. Well, it's like 8 minutes until the news, so that's kind of hard. But it's suspicious. Let me say that. But yeah, if they're gonna hold it now above the what is it? The 83s, 84s, then they're still good. They're still good to go higher. So here like 83s, 84s. This holds, then yeah, they're still kind of okay to go higher. Yeah, I don't know. I'll wait the news, because I need some volatility to get the 6 points, although I could have gotten here by just buying the VPSC, as you can clearly see, because now we're at 86 and the VPSC is 80. Yeah, that would have been a quick one. Yeah, that's in hindsight a little bit stupid, but anyway, it happens. Doesn't seem like they're very done at the high here, so maybe I'll buy another pullback lower. I think at this point they might want to check out the highs from Memorial Day. I don't know. Let's see, they can still reject here, of course. So, but yeah, if they do reject, then I really need to see below 80. So let's see, like I want to see below 80. Below 80, and then short the retest to 280. Right? But yeah, who knows? Yeah, I'm kind of waiting for the news now, I guess. So I'll be on here, but I don't think I'm gonna wait for the news. Yeah, because I don't think at this point I don't want to buy the retest to 80 anymore. The first time is always the best, right? Yeah, I think I prefer if they break 80, go to, yeah, I don't know, like test this little ledge here, 76, 75, and then test 80, 79, 80. Then I'll short it. But yeah, so right here, it's still bullish until they go below 80. But yeah, I don't see a clear buy where my risk is small enough to not blow the eval. So yeah, let's see. I'll be back at the news. I'll just keep the chart running, but yeah, so 2 minutes more or less till the news. Yeah, what I want to see, or what I'm gonna try is, I think I'm just gonna try to fade the first push, and if it works, I'll add into it. So I'll do 5-5, you know, so I get to 10 lots. I think I'm gonna do that, but I'm not sure. I want to see how they react to it, right? So ideally, you wanna, yeah, to see a test of like 97 maybe. If they push it ish, or below, you wanna see, well, 80, right? So yeah, but I don't know. At this point, I'm not sure 80 will be good again. It's also maybe a bit too close. Although 97 is also not super. So 10 points, 97 would be 87. Yeah, I'm not sure if I want to buy that one for a bounce. So, because then it kind of set that they didn't make new highs, right? And then it's kind of more negative, in my opinion. So just hanging around VWAP, the RTH open, the RTH high, and then if it does go down, yeah, it's probably not so positive anymore for a fake out. But let's see. 1 minute. Oh no, it's already. Sorry, I'm blind. It happened. It's now. Okay, so where did it go to? 92. Okay, so it went up. Sorry, I misread that. Yeah, so we pushed the high. So hard to watch the clock these days. So yeah, I'm not sure. Like they're not really rejecting right away. So do I still want to sell it? That's a good question. I think I won't sell it for 97. Yeah, but it's honestly probably not still the best move. But yeah, it's my last eval. I already passed one, so I'll just do it. But not like it feels like they could run the highs of the overnight still. Yeah, let's see. Let us see. Ideally, they just push it very hard and then get some stops and then turn around 6 points when I get my fill. I don't know. Let's see. They're still kind of pushing. It's not sure. It doesn't feel like a reject yet. So, I mean, it's very easy to move to, right? Because the books are empty, like 50, 60 lots on nice price. But they are starting to build a little bit of volume, but it's like not a lot, like not like significant yet. So it's not like volume like here. So yeah, it's not feeling like a super reject yet, but they could. But normally when it's like slowing down, it's like it goes up, right? So boring markets usually go up, and when it's like this, slowly ticking, it might go up unless we get another tweet, something for Trump, or a big reject below the 85s. Then I will look into it better, but this does feel like a bit premature in selling it right now. It's close to where I want to sell at 97, but I'm not sure anymore with this how this trades, if that's going to be good. Let's see. Yeah, I don't really see it anymore. But I will still try it on 97, but ideally they push it a little bit so we have some kind of stops going off, ideally higher than 97 so I get a better price, but let's see. Okay, this feels very pushy, like how this is going. I'm not like a super candlestick guy, but this feels very pushy. That this is the fake out, and now they're gonna make new highs. Mini fake out, but now they should push for highs. Oh, here we go, new high. No. Same high. Interesting. So high is now 94. Yeah. They're building volume. Yeah. But it doesn't feel like a good high. There's no like excess high or no like real rejection of price. It's just sitting here. I want to see a rejection. So I need 6 points, and 6 points is yeah. Come on, just push it and then reject. That would be nice. Then I'll do it. But this should at least probably go like 99 or like 900, I guess, like something like that, for it to be something. Come on, push it, push it. Nope. Okay. It would be too easy, of course, and it's never easy, so. Right. Push it, come on. I see some like acceleration up. But honestly, it doesn't look super bearish, of course, but I'm just wanna push that last eval and then try to get a sort of a reject. Ideally, 6 points above this one, which would be, yeah, well, that would be 90, yeah, so 699, and so it would be here, yeah, and then I can get out of the retest to the VPSC that moved up right now. Did it? Yeah. Yeah. It did. So that PSC moving up is also kind of positive, right? More acceptance higher of volume. So wanna see one more push, Push to 99 and then straight back to 93. That's kind of what I want. That is what I want. And still, this is still only just to pass another eval. But they can do it. Come on, they can do it. I mean, yeah. It's just building some volume, building a jumping board, in my opinion. But so I could go long into 99s, right? That would have been a better play probably, but yeah, I don't see it after this. It's just tricky. Just come on, just push to 99 and then go back to 93. Well, they're taking their time, really building volume, so that probably means they're gonna push to 99, I guess, at least. Let me see, or even higher. Like, I don't know. I'll give it a go, but like it's just very vulnerable, the overnight highs, I guess. Even though they look far away, I mean it's not really with the volatility lately, I guess. So yeah, I should have just gone long with the last eval. Be much easier, but let's see. I want to see some acceleration up now to short into, but honestly it doesn't look bearish at all. And therefore I'm not doing this with my funded accounts for sure. But okay, let's see. Quick reject would be nice. I mean, I could, probably shouldn't start early. Start from 97-ish. Probably not a good idea. Let's see. It feels kind of boring now. Very tight. They're keeping it tight. Yeah. Come on. Push, 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 push. Want to see stops going off. Probably should already enter here for an order in case they get there. I mean, could be. Yeah, is it rejecting now or not? I should just like looking for sellers to absorb. Yeah, I don't know. I still want to see a little bit of an excess high, like a little bit of a push, like stops going off or something like that. But yeah, it's gonna be patience game. It's not doing much. Come on, they can push it. Well, when they make a new high or reject below 93s, I'll comment some more. But yeah, until then, I'm just gonna wait. I guess it's not like worth it to me. I guess to just blow the account for nothing. Yeah, so below 93s and a retest, I'm interested in selling. And a push till like 5900-ish would get me short for a retest to the current 93s. And I just need 6 points to be clear. I need 6 points to pass the 3k profit target for the eval. It seems like they're trying to. Doesn't feel like it's rejecting. It's just like retracing. Doesn't really feel like a reject right now. And I could maybe scalp an eval. And I kind of never done that, I guess. I'm always looking just for a one trade winner. Because honestly, it's usually I think it's a little bit of a waste of my time. But okay, so here we go. So look, it was just it was just a retrace, not a reject. So now they can push it, and they might push harder. So I'm not sure where they're gonna stop it. I do want to short into this if they push harder, and I want to short it from like 5900 on. And I said I was initially interested in 97, but I'm not sure with how this is trading. I should do that. So I'm not sure why I should stop there with this consolidation going on here. Yeah, that doesn't really look that good anymore, I think. So I think it should really push 5900s or a little bit higher, ideally. And then still, it's like it's not a. It's still a gamble because like like I said, it's not looking bearish at all, right? So, yeah. Let's see. It's only because it's an eval and I wanna just get 6 points. All right, let's see. I'm closely getting interested if they're gonna push it. So I might move the order lower. It's above the 79s I initially wanted, but it doesn't look like how this is trading. It's a reject yet. So, or extended enough, doesn't look extended enough. So it might be 03s, 04s, something like that. Like I don't know, something. This area could be worth it too. So maybe here. And if they push very hard, I'll short into it. Two, yeah. Until they do that in one straight line, but it's never easy. Okay, this was it? No. 89. Okay. Quarter. Interesting. So, yeah, what to do? So they did. So the 97 would have been a good entry. It just doesn't feel like a reject yet. This is just like topping, like a little bit. But there's no like push and reject, right? It's just sitting there and then goes down. Like, I don't know if I should try it, but if you know, let me know. I could try it because it's an eval. I could just do it and then say whatever. Like I'm already past one. Yeah, I don't think I want to do that here. So below 94.50. Nah, ideally they push a little bit higher. Still a little bit higher. At least 5900s. Ideally 02s, 03s. Yeah, it would feel more comfortable to just pass the eval in one trade, not like this. But they could do it. They could do whatever they want. So yeah. Let us see. Push it. Okay, well, you know. Now they're gonna push it. So I guess here-ish could be. Would be nice just to push and reject, but yeah, the way it's trading right now, and there won't be doing that. But yeah, let's see. Okay, now we get some better movement, and ideally they push a little bit more to the 02s. I'm kind of inclined to already start selling it, but it's probably a bad idea. Should I do it? I'll sell it to go below there, but it's very tricky. It's just trickling up, you know. There's normally not much to sell, really. Like it's. Okay. Come on. Push it, push it. Yeah, I really kind of want to be here at 350. Yeah, it's just like, it's hard to sell this one. It's like yeah, there's no not much acceleration, and there's not really like a reject. So I don't know. the long would have been much easier. much easier. So I don't know if I even should sell this, but yeah, let's see it. Let's see. Okay, 5 in, another 5. Yeah. Let's see. Well, still not rejecting, so yeah, kinda probably should write this eval off. Well, let's see, anything can happen. At least they're stalling a little bit here. Yeah, I might enter the other 5 then soon if it's not yeah, I might do that. Okay, well, not super good feeling about this, but let's see. 97, yeah, this is probably not gonna work. Anyway, let's see. Yeah. I'm just expecting to blow this one, but if it's gonna get there, it's gonna get there. It's fine. But there's still there's no real reject. So I should have just went long, honestly, but I'm already happy I passed 1, so I'm like, yeah, whatever, like it's fine. So I need 97. Let's see. I mean, I already blow it at 98, so yeah, it's very close. Let's see. Let us see. I'm already happy that I passed 1, so it's fine. So to be clear, I bought 3 evals and I passed 1. And this one is not looking too fancy unless it rejects right now. And I need 97s to pass it. And I blow it at 8808s. So let's see. There's no real there's no reject going on at all. Like it's just buying. But I figured if anywhere this would be sort of okay to try. And honestly, I'm losing my patience just to wait to trade this eval because it's an eval. So with that, I'm considering more like checking out some straight to funded accounts, because then you don't need to go through this like BS. Like it's kind of like, yeah, okay, cool, you can pass in 1 day, so people are just gambling it and whatever. They're not treating it like a real account, right? So it's like whatever. So yeah, I don't know. 97 would be nice. Where is that here? But in my head, I already wrote it off. So yeah. But let's see. I'm not really sure where I should stop because I think there's a lot of shorts to be stopped out higher. So I probably would go for that, you know. So like really check out the highs, the 12s. But let's see. I'm just yeah, I'm not gonna give this too much time. I'm either gonna just blow it or here or get somewhere. But the way it's trading, it doesn't look like a short yet. So yeah, unless we really not gonna make a new high now, it's just over very quickly, probably. So you know. Yeah, so it should reject here, or otherwise it's kind of probably over for me on the last attempt. And I haven't really seen a lot of sellers stepping in, to be honest. So yeah. So with that, it's funny that I didn't even try to just buy it and then hold it, because like anywhere you could have bought it, right? So 93s, 95s, 94s, 95s, every one of them would have made the target. So it's funny that I didn't try that, because I said, look, this doesn't look like it's done. So I'm interested why my brain wasn't able to just buy this for 6 points, because 91 was, yeah, would have passed it easily. It's funny. Anyway. Yeah, this is close to be stopped out. But it's fine. Then I can go back to trading my funded accounts, and I do have another few meetings today, so you know. Yeah, so the stop out point is, yeah, it's 850, I think, or 8.25. Yeah, it's very close. Very close. We just need one Trump tweet. One Trump tweet away from passing this eval. Nah, like I said, like it's just not looking bearish at all, like at all. So to be fair, it's very interesting for myself that I just not were thinking to buy it and whatever. I was waiting for this level to sell. Yeah, interesting. 'Cause it's not going down at all. Like it's just, yeah. It should tag the overnight highs at 12, right? And then I'm already out. So yeah. Here we go, guys. Stopping out or blowing it very closely. Almost. Oh. Would be funny if it just would reject just like 1-2 ticks before my blowout level. 2500. Yeah. That would be funny. Not straight to 97, guys. Yeah, probably not. But Okay, that's funny. So yeah, now I'm thinking like, hey, should I just save this? Should I just trail it? So I don't lose on it, like, or and then try again, or like, should I just leave it? I don't know. I think I'm just leaving it, I guess. Hmm. Could have exited. I don't know. It's the first sort of reject, I guess, but like it's not really. And there's no lower low. So yeah. Too bad. Could have saved the evil. Get out, break even. Well. It's life. That's life. I was considering it, but yeah. Yeah, should have done that. Yeah, now I'm blowing it. Okay, well, anyway. Was a fun stream. Passed one eval of the 3. Not amazing, but whatever. I just did it because of the 90% off. I'm like, yeah, sure, I'll take a little gamble. But it's not over until it's over. But yeah, I'm not feeling too confident about this. Yeah, let's see. But anyways, I'm not gonna go on the stream much longer anyway. Yeah, it's just going up, up. Yeah. Should stop here, or it's really over. Oh, and it went lower, right? So my trailing drawdown is closer now. Yeah, I'm very close to hit the trailing drawdown, to be honest. Very close. Yeah, well, I'm glad I didn't trade any funded accounts like this. It's also not the way I trade funded accounts, to be honest, but it was a fun little thing. I just wanted to get back to streaming because honestly, it's been 2 months or something that I went streaming. So I just wanted to get back into it on a very, like, you know, I said a low risk effort because I don't care much about evals. Yeah, past one, you know, and then past one blue too, but it's 90% off, so all in all, not too bad. So yeah, I'll still try to get back into streaming more often, but then trade my funded account, like, you know, so it kind of matters. Yeah. 7. I mean, it would still be funny if it was passed. Like, I don't see it happening. Yes, I was really considering just getting out of the eval at 350 and then reassess, but I let it just go and it's gone. So I passed one, and yeah, I'll continue not today, but like continue trading the fund accounts. I'm not sure if I'm gonna stream it or not, but I could try. I guess, you know. Yeah. Oh, really? Did I just stop out at the the exact high? That is funny. That's the thing with trailing drawdowns. It's super hard, you know. Like, you cannot even be like off that much, but like, it's just annoying. And yeah, I mean, I should work a little bit on, you know, not caring much about how I do on the stream, maybe, you know, because that's why I wanted to start now with evals, because it's like, you know, it's nothing to lose. Well, not really, at least. Yeah, so I might do my funded accounts tomorrow. So I got a few now. Might be an idea. I'll think about it. Let's put it like that. Yeah. So I might be back tomorrow with yeah, no more evals. I'm annoyed with evals, to be honest. And I might look into the straight to funded ones as well. Like, yeah, that could be cool. Then it keeps me a little bit in check, you know, to trade how I normally trade, and not just like, you know, gamble to pass, because that's kind of what you do, right? It's just let's put it like it is. Yeah, I'll check it out. But yeah, in the meantime, if you guys have any questions about order flow, feel free to, well, first of all, give me a like. I don't see anyone putting a like. That would be nice. Little thumbs up. And then, yeah, shoot me with all your order flow questions, you know, like happy to talk about that always. Or about the platform, of course, or about the platform. Those things are always welcome. Yeah. So I'll try to stream tomorrow. Yeah, this action, I don't even want to trade it with my funded accounts. So no, I'm kind of done for the day, to be honest. Back to, you know, working on the platform. See what my developers came up with that I can test. You know, things like that. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Nice to be back, I guess. Passed 1 out of 3 evals. Not amazing, but you know, something. Yeah, I'll try to stream again tomorrow. Then yeah, same time, like a quarter before the open. And I hope to see you guys then. Cool. See ya.